Hello everyone, and welcome to this crude oil futures review using SmartTools for SmartLevels. The chart is a 0.2 range bar chart based on tick data. These black bars here represent the overnight trading activity. All times are Eastern Standard Time, which is Greenwich Mean Time Zone 5. Today there was one news release scheduled for 10 a.m. and I've drawn this vertical line at this swing low on this red bar here just before the release of the news. I've also drawn in a horizontal line at 111.90 to mark the overnight high. And the reason I did that is because you can see once the market moved up very strongly in the overnight session, we moved into no man's land for SmartLevels. We're in new territory here. So I like taking this short setup. This occurred at 8:24. You can see the trend line drawn off the lows is very smartly broken. I like this setup a lot. We're going into the news. I got a little queasy when the stocks opened up here. This is right when the stocks opened up, so I actually exited both contracts at this first profit target a little bit early. I was not willing to risk waiting for the news at this point, given there's only a half hour before it's released. So I was done for the day at this point, and you can see I left a lot on the table actually. Had I waited for getting closer to the news, but that's okay. I was happy with the trade and done for the day. Now, the reason I drew this horizontal line in at 111.90 is to show you how to draw in your own smart level when you're faced in the situation with trading with no smart levels from previous activity. And you can see once this market broke 111.90, this was definitely time to consider a long trade. We're breaking out new highs here. And the way to trade this, I did not take this trade, but had I seen it, I would have definitely traded the pullback to the swing high here, this pivot swing high at 7:30 or so in the morning. And given my stop more room, maybe below the bar which preceded it, or perhaps even lower. But in any case, I would have not used the original stop. It's too close to the swing high, too much a chance for getting stopped out. And you can see what you would have gotten stopped out just by a tick or two. And then the market just raced north from here. And once it did, you can see that both profit targets were reached. The market pulled back and generated this very nice trend continuation setup. And I'll pull this down a little bit so you can see it. It also reached both profit targets for a very nice trade. Well, that's all she wrote. So long for now.